To the graduands, I want to tell you this, that the world you are entering is fast, unpredictable, unforgiving, and competitive. Your degree may open a door, but your attitude, your integrity, and your work ethic will determine how high you will rise in life. You do not succeed by chance, you succeed by choice. You decide to succeed by choice. You go out there and pick something. Stop sitting and waiting for an opportunity. It is not by chance, it is by choice. We live in a country that sometimes has opportunities that are dressed in overalls. So when you look at them, you consider them as too much work, and you say, you know, with my degree and my tie, because this opportunity is dressed in an overall is too much work. I don't need it. But again, it's also full of challenges, and it is upon you and your generation that you must put it in your mind that you must ask yourself of what solution you need to offer also to this country that sometimes has got a lot of challenges. What you've earned today is, you didn't earn it, easily. Just as you did not earn it easily, you found it very hard, of course, when you're sitting for your cards, your examinations and everything. Even the world outside there is that way. Nothing comes easy. You've got to earn it through hard work.